Hi guys, today we're gonna open this dollhouse. Let's get started. I was playing with dolls. Gonna open it.
Cut it.
We have to build it, but it's gonna take hard. We got to cut it. It's too big for us to build, so we're gonna wait.
You could just do this.
Wait, isn't there another box in here? Wait, a box and a box. Wait, I can do it.
Do it again.
Oh, they put a box in a box so nobody could open it. And see that.
They should have put duct tape instead of a box in a box.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Now it's gonna be hard to open the next box. Yeah, because people just could open the other box.
Or they should have put super glue so no one could steal it.
This is too big for somebody to take.
Okay, open this side and cut it.
I'm keeping the box.
I want to keep that.
No.
Fine, don't cry, don't cry, don't cry.
I'm not. I can
I don't like this. What? What?
Rebecca,
What?
could you not go next to me? Just kidding.
Here goes, Shana, look. Cutting you. Sorry.
I left pink.
No, I don't.
No, I'm singing a song.
I know. No, I don't.
Oh my God, pink.
This is song.
That was taking a long time.
Next.
So, you guys don't need help for this.
Oh no! Wood.
Oh no!
Oh no! This is made out of wood.
You have to screw it together.
Oh my gosh! So we don't need to buy wood for a pool. We just could use the wood for Now all of us could have this phone.
Look. What if this was a big computer? That'd be so cool.
Whip it! This is another present. Yay. Now there's a map. Oh my
Now
God.
we have another present.
I like pink. I like pink. Oh my God, pink. This might feel like wood, kind of. But this is Rebecca, there's another one. There's lots of ones of these. Why could you just drop it? Oh my gosh.
Wait.
This is a mouse. This is definitely a mansion.
Wait, don't whip this. Don't whip that, I said. You don't whip it.
Really?
Why? Look how messy it is.
Pyramid time. Getting off. This is heavy.
Hi, we're starting a movie.
This is a Barbie hotel. Cool. I think this is a...
Do that? Why?
This is...
Why?
This is
I
for
like
the
it.
kitchen. There's one of the...
With that?
Another one, the roof, I think. This is not cool. This is cool.
Yo. Sorry. Where did I hurt you at? Oh, I'm sorry. Now Leaky hurt me. Is that karma? No. It's not. Ow.
Sorry.
You did something bad, because that's karma.
My
You
finger.
shouldn't do that.
My finger hurted.
Put it over there with that hard. Mommy, put it over there.
I don't think we're going to do this now.
What in Daddy's office? You can have.
This is too much.
Would Daddy be mad?
Because that look like we're going to need to screw them together.
This is... Are we going to do it today?
Maybe later. You could just take them off.
There's more.
Maybe you guys should play fight with those.
Huh?
Play fight with those.
This is the snow
And it's a big
doll.
mess.
big. Oh wow.
I'm not gonna have to do that. Well, I'm gonna go out here and do it. 'Cause I'm not gonna mess it up.
You know you're gonna clean that up.
Oh.
Mommy, look, I'm snowboarding.
Which one is this? Is the doll snow?
Leaky, why are you crumbling?
Really, don't do that.
Daddy, you're gonna have to clean Daddy's office with the vacuum. Leaky.
Not where?
Don't do that.
Oh my god. It breaks again when I was recording.
You know you don't like to clean up.
You two don't
And you make the most mess.
It's so much snow.
It's so much snow. And it stopped snowing outside. It's not gonna be a snow. Huh?
No, you put
Oh.
it on. But the video's not over.
I'm gonna snowboard.
We shouldn't have never buy this dollhouse.
That's not.
Okay, you guys pick up every
There's
piece.
a dollhouse for your other house. Right? Mommy.
Yeah. Okay, guys, pick the pieces up. Put them back in the box.
I'm gonna tell Daddy. Why?
Come, pick the pieces up. Put them back in the box. You're not going away until you're done. Nope. No, come back here. Ralik, you gotta clean up.
Can I open this on the same video?
No, we gotta clean up this first.
No.
Do not open
So
that.
guys, so we're gonna open it now.
Stop it. You gotta clean up.
Daddy's gonna clean up.
Rebecca, put them in the box. Let's see who could clean up the fastest. No,
Get.
don't put this in the box.
Ow! You.
Let's see who could clean up the fastest. Put them in. Go. Come on. Rashana, let's see who's gonna win.
When's his iPhone?
Let's
I'm gonna
go.
win the iPhone.
Good job. Rashana, you're not helping. Come on. You don't have to break it in pieces.
I know, I just wanted. Oh, you're kidding me. That was so cool.
Even these.
Yeah, just put it in the box.
My jacket's over here and then
Okay.
I'll pick them up. Wave the hand. Just wave the hand.
Good job.
If you want to vacuum. He was going to throw that at me so I could win. Ooh. I won.
Wait, where's the scissors, Mommy?
In your head.
Where's the sugar, Mommy? Mommy.
Come on, you're almost done.
What are you saying? Sugar?
I'll pick up the rest.
Will they take ear? How would you break it? Luigi, look.
Where's the scissors?
Right here.
Let me see you, Rebecca.
Look. I see. Oh.
Wait, got Mommy, look. This side and this side.
I'm gonna pick up the most.
Wait, go next to the box, put your head facing here.
Ah, that feels so weird. Do I have stuff in my hair?
Nope. Just a little.
This here comes over.
Huh? I can't feel you.
Come on.
This is a head.
Take your tongue out. Who says this?
Wait,
who did what? That.
what that goes?
I really want to keep this.
No, I got it for Christmas.
But next time when you don't want it, I will.
Well, I don't want I do want another well doll.
Oh!
You're the one that was stepping on me. I'm done.
I'm done.
I won.
I won.
was done.
I'm done. I won. I'm done. I was having enough of the
What the heck?
Whose Skittles is this? Anyway, I
Rebecca.
have some.
That's mine. You just stole my skill.
You
Hey,
spit
this
in
video
here.
should be called "How to Make a Mess in 1 Minute."
Okay. Well, I don't mess up, guys.
Rebecca, did you do this? Did you spit in here? You.
No, okay.
I like it.
It was born like that. Jeez.
It was born like that?
Mm-hmm.
I like it. I'm gonna open, guys. So I'm gonna open this part.
No, don't open that. I think this have the pieces.
Where's the instructions?
In your head.
It's probably in the box.
I like it.
You like what?
I like it.
Didn't I say no more candy?
A cool
Who keep
mommy.
buying you guys candy?
You know,
I do.
Daddy. You forgot your why.
I said no more candy. I'm gonna start throwing them away.
Okay. Well, I'm
can't-
gonna hide it.
What's on you say?
You don't know we're gonna hide.
You know, we're gonna how do it say sunken. Hey, do anybody know where the scissors?
In your head.
In my head. Did you see that moving? So guys, now we're gonna open this.
No, we're not.
No, we have to clean up this first.
First we have to open it. Can we open it?
After we clean up.
Can I throw these in there when I open it? Okay, so.
Nope. Okay, Rebecca, you want to say bye?
Okay, bye guys. Watching. Like, subscribe.
Don't buy, guys.
And Merry
Just kidding.
Christmas.
And don't eat too much candy.
And eat a lot. Just kidding. Don't eat too much candy. Don't.
I broke my game. Now I helicopter.